Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss on the activity number 3, which is the demo instructor, which is available in the course outlet, course handout, which is given to you. So please try to go through it very carefully. So you will be able to understand what I am going to do is using a table, how to draw a graph. See, the idea is how to draw a graph in Word using the table data that is given. See, I don't want to waste a lot of time in drawing the graph. So what I do, there's a table here already. You know how to create table. You can create a table like this in Word. But now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy and I open a new Word document. I just paste it. You see here there are three types. If you are going to only use text, it will be pasted like this. If you are going to paste like this, it is going to merge formatting, and this is what is the best. Keep the source formatting. Copy the file as it is in like a table. Now you see I have the information here. So I have to first make a table like this. Once I make the table like this, now I am going to explain the idea. So draw a pie chart for the following data. Then we have to format the chart. Then we have to save the file. These are the three things that we are going to do. So now I have got the table. After getting the table, what I want to do is that I want to select, because you see the colleges are, these are the 4 colleges. So what I do, I go to insert, I choose chart, I go and choose chart. Can you see here chart? What is the type of chart I would like to have? I told in the question, it is given very clearly. I want to have pie chart. So I choose pie chart. After choosing the pie chart, I can choose the dimensions. It's a normal pie chart. It's a 3D pie chart. It's a pie of pi. It's a bar of pi. Don't. So what I would like to use is that I like to use this one, chart, which is 3D pie, and I give OK. Now when I give OK, you can see that the chart actually has come like this, because when I insert the chart, it has come. Now what I write is that you can see here, I want to draw the chart CCBA. I want to draw the chart because my chart is about the colleges. CAS. See, Excel will also open, so don't get afraid. Okay, when you see Excel opening, don't get afraid. Okay, now you just be okay that you want to create a chart like CAS, then College of Engineering, and then Foundation Program. Now you give the value here like 1200. Now you give here 1000, okay, 900. Then you give here 1500. Okay, like this. Now you see this is sales, but you can see here number of students. You see the sales will change as number of students. See, it will change also like number of students. After this I can see, now you can see that the chart is ready. CCBA is blue in color, CAS is orange in color, CE and FP. All the 4 colleges are represented as a chart. Once I am done, I can close this one. But you see, now what is the problem? It has come inside my column, which is not correct. So I can cut. Okay, I can cut and I can paste it here outside. Okay, now I can write here CCBA. If you want to make another chart, I will show you. See, now the same data which was in the form of table, I have made it into form of a graph. Now I would like to show you here one more thing. Can you see here? Now what I want to do is that I want to make another chart. So I go to insert, I go to chart. Now let us imagine I want to use column chart. There are different types of charts available. These are the different types of charts available. So in the chart, this is clustered column, stacked column, 100% stacked column. So I want to use which 3D column, for example. I want to use this type of chart, and I give what? OK. Okay, now you can see here, this is what I want. Now I write here CAS. For example, I write here CAS. I have my data CCBA, okay, College of Engineering. Then I write here FP. Then I write here, for example, 2019, 2020, 2021. Okay, then I write here 1000, then it becomes 1200, like for example 1500. You see the change is happening on the screen for cash. Now here I am changing it as there were 890 students, for example. Now it becomes 1200, for example. Then it becomes 1300. So this is for CCBA, for example. Now I am showing for College of Engineering, just like I want to show 1200, 1100, 1600. Now again I am going to show the other one, foundation program. I start with 900, I give 1000, I give 1500. See, now this is the chart. Now after all these things, you have to close the Excel. Now you see there are two charts. This is the first chart which I created with just one dimension, only for one particular year. Whereas this chart is actually explaining 3 years, 2019, 20, 21, and you have all the data here. Now what you can do is that right click, you can see data labels, add data labels. It will show the value also. That data labels is what? The value is also shown. Like add data labels, you will see the data labels. That means the value of it will be also shown. Add data labels. So this is one thing. Now you want to format the chart. Right click, format chart area. Now you have here fill. For example, you want to choose any color to fill it. For example, I want to use like not a gray color. I want to use something like green. The green is not there, so you can see here I can apply a color for the chart. Similarly, here I want to do something. I go here, format. I choose this one, format. Okay, now you can see here this chart is actually mixed with this one, so I try to move it a little bit because the page is small. Okay, I try to make it a little bit separate. Okay, now you can see here I right click, format. You can choose the chart format. It's actually like a picture, so this is like a picture. So okay, now you can see format picture. You can change here also fill. Okay, you can choose solid fill. Choose any color you would like to have. Like for example, you would like to have again maybe this color. For example, it will be applied here. So you can see that this is one thing that you can do with the chart. So similarly, you know data labels, you know formatting. You can also change the colors here. Format data series. Okay, here also you can choose like pyramid, for example. You can show it like this. Okay, I want to apply different things for this one. Format data series. I want to use cylinder. Can you see now? I want to show three things in a different way. 2019 in this shape, 2020 in this shape, and 2021 in this shape. I hope it's very clear for you. It's a very simple activity. After doing everything, we have to do what? File, save as, save it in the PC. For example, I am saving it in desktop. I am just saving it as instructor demo 3. Demo 3. That's it. Save it. Now you can try to do it by yourself and you will get a very clear understanding of this idea. Thank you.